Hey, what's up guys? It's Dom from Whole Printing Inc. In today's quick yet very exciting video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some very big news. I've been pretty inactive on this YouTube channel, posting less and less tutorials, more general information based type videos, and that's for a simple fact. The company has been growing at an extremely rapid pace. However exciting this is, unfortunately my time is being stretched out super thin. I have a DTF private membership. I offer one-on-one consultations. I used to, and I try to the best of my abilities obviously, to post on this YouTube channel pretty much every single day. And with the business actually growing physically, hiring new employees, scaling and reaching new companies, and also exploring different types of printing methods, basically just expansion in general, my time with this YouTube channel has been very inconsistent. Now we all have 24 hours within a day, and I could make this one of my top priorities, and this is kind of the goal of this video, just making myself kind of fall back into the flow of daily uploading, right? So this is just a disclaimer. I will not be putting too much pressure on myself, but my goal is to bring you a video every single day, no matter how long, no matter the actual content of that video. I want to stay in the loop to help with my discipline when it comes to posting YouTube videos, because I started this as a passion and I want to continue it as a passion. No matter how big the company gets, I want to make this the #1 priority and focus on creating content because that's what I love. I love helping you guys. I love finding solutions to problems with your printers. I love learning about these types of things, and I also like sharing knowledge of not only DTF printing but business in general. This is my true passion. In the future there might be a separate YouTube channel where it's just my name, Dominic, and I'll be sharing more about business in general and not only DTF printing and printing, but that will be for a separate video. The main goal of this video, and the reason I kind of rambled at the beginning, is to kind of get rid of the people with low attention spans, because this is not my target audience. My channel is very niche. I speak to a specific type of individual. I build trust with anybody that's watching this right now because I'm in your position. The goal of Whole Printing Inc. was always to educate you, basically my younger self, on things I wish I would have known and things I'm discovering as I go, and pretty much just information in general that could help me, or I should say my younger self. And these are still the values I have for this channel today. The main goal of this video is explain to you guys that I'm going to be reigniting my passion for these YouTube videos, but the most exciting news is this. I've made a few videos on where to buy DTF supplies in the past. It was on wprinting.ca, and from there you could buy a bunch of new DTF supplies ranging from inks, powder, films, you name it, we had it, right? And this is still the case. However, if you go on wprinting.ca today, you'll see that it's like a Shopify store that's not completely finished. And that's because we've actually made the decision to separate wprinting and the new company, which I'll name in a few seconds. So this is very exciting news, and the actual new website, because if you go on wprinting.ca right now, it's not the completed website. It's on Shopify, and we're actually creating a Wix website from scratch, and it looks absolutely amazing. We're not quite done yet, so it's going to probably be released within a month or so. However, the thing that's very exciting about this information is that since we've made a conscious decision to separate wprinting and my new company, this is going to allow us to focus on each as a separate individual. Let me give you a tangible example, right guys? Ever since I've been making these videos, I'm reselling products. Yes, I make a profit, right? I own a business, so I need to sell the products which I buy at a profit. So if I buy, let's say, DTF white ink at $70 Canadian, I'm going to try to sell it at $80 to $90 Canadian plus shipping. Make a $10, $20 profit, reinvest that $10 to $20 inside of my business, have more time to make these videos, have a bit more cash flow to buy more supplies so I can actually run my shop, right? It's no lie that every single business makes a profit. But my goal with, my new company that I'm about to announce to you guys very soon is simple. My goal is not necessarily to make a lot of money and to run a successful business when it comes to reselling DTF supplies. There's already a bunch of wonderful DTF suppliers out there. My goals are simple. I want to be able to have the best supplies for my printing shop. Let me give you an example. If I'm reselling parts for a DTF Pro colored printer, I want to make sure I have the best parts, the best print heads, the best film, the best everything that's going to last the test of time. Same thing for my commercial printer. I want to find out the best supplier for DTF commercial print heads. I want to find out the best suppliers for rolls, the best quality ink that there's out there, the less clogging possible. I want to discover, evaluate, have feedback from my clients that are buying my supplies, so I can then take that information, evaluate it, see, okay, this person has said that this ink is not so good. This person has said that these rolls are amazing. This person loves this DTF powder. Take all that information, go in my CRM, make some calculations. After a set amount of feedback, I contact my suppliers. Hey, I want to order 10 more rolls. Hey, unfortunately, I won't be buying any more print heads from you. The durability and the longevity of your print heads is just not there. Even though the price might be good, the quality and the durability is not there. Having all of this information, I'll be able to gather feedback from not only myself using these supplies every single day, but also from you watching. When you buy something from DTFX, the new company, that is the official name, once you buy something from DTFX.ca, you're not only doing contributions to this YouTube channel, but you're also doing contribution towards your future self. And this is not to sound cheesy or cliche. Honestly, I could care less, guys, where you buy your DTF supplies, as long as they're high quality and you're having a stable printing experience. If they're cheaper somewhere else, by all means, please go ahead. My goal is simply to invest into my own suppliers when it comes to DTF supplies, test them, sell them, have some feedback not only from myself but from you guys, and then adjust my suppliers accordingly. Send feedback to my suppliers and rebatch regarding the feedback that I had and the feedback that I experienced. We're expanding the shop, so you can expect new tutorials on DTF commercial printers as well as the regular DTF small format printers L1800, and we're actually going to have an immense shop tour very soon once the renovations are done, because you guys are familiar with the shop. However, it's getting quite small, so you guys can expect a shop tour with updated working areas very soon. I'd say within a month or two. Completely done. I'm very excited. There's so many things I want to cover. It's been a while since we had a sit-down video, so I could ramble on for hours. However, I'll keep it simple. wprinting.ca. Go take a look in around 1 month or so. I'll give you guys an official update once that website is done. Currently, if you go on wprinting.ca, it's just like a weird Shopify store that at least works, but it's not the end-all be-all. The wprinting website is going to be absolutely phenomenal once it's done. DTFX for all of your DTF supplies. This is basically where you go if you want DTF transfers, DTF parts, DTF supplies like ink, rolls, powder. If you want DTF one-on-one consultations, help with your DTF journey. DTFX, anything DTFX related. Whole Printing Inc. is my personal company and these YouTube videos. And finally, having new employees to help us grow on our journey is going to be phenomenal. I'm very, very grateful for anybody that's taken the time to watch this, especially towards the end. You guys are amazing. You have completely transformed my life. And yes, my business has grown in other ways than just YouTube, but YouTube is something I'll always hold close to my heart, because ever since I was a young kid, I always dreamt of making videos and having an impact on people. And some of you are watching this and we'll never see each other in person. I'll die, you'll die in the future, and we'll never have met. But it's incredible to think that I can have an impact on your life, even though I might be so far away, and vice versa. I read all of your comments. I try to reply to all of your comments. I'm far from perfect. I make flaws, and I'm trying to learn, and I'm trying to evolve. But that's what makes it beautiful. I don't need to, hyper edit my videos. I don't need to do all these things. I'm just being myself, sharing my experience and my knowledge as I grow. And for some reason, you guys watch it. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I look forward to growing, evolving, and continue to share my DTF journey and my business journey in general. As always, if you guys found this video somewhat insightful or helpful, leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new. This was Dom from Whole Printing and also DTFX. Make a print you'll never forget.